Welcome to a two-bedroom apartment at Juhu. It's fully furnished and it comes with this nice open space, open to sky, an ideal property for someone who's a pet owner. Let's take a look at this property right now. My name is Ravi Keval Ramani. I'm a second generation real estate agent based out of Mumbai. This is the ground floor lobby of the building and the apartment is on my left hand side. Once you enter south and you're exiting pure north. You have vitrified tiles, you have a decent height, it's fully furnished, ready to move in. You just have to get your suitcases and your clothes. The moment you enter, you have this passageway in the apartment. Mandir is on the left hand side, your one bedroom with the washroom is on the right hand side, your bedroom 2 with the attached washroom is on the left hand side. Your dining, your kitchen, your living is all right at this corner, and you have access to your open area outside straight from the living room as well as from a master bedroom number 2. We'll start with bedroom number 1, which is on my right hand side. As you are walking into the property, I'm going to showcase it in the exact same manner. इधर ये दरवाजा है, ये दरवाजा बंद करो खोलो तो अकॉर्डिंगली आपका ये रूम प्राइवेट भी बन जाता है. The washroom is right over here behind me. It's a pretty big size washroom. The tiles are pretty decent. Everything is relatively new over here. The wardrobe is behind this door. Here you have your wardrobe. It's a nice size wardrobe, full length है, drawers है, locks है, सब कुछ है आपको इधर अंदर. So this is good. Niche actually it was a nice space for your shoes. You can put your shoes in here. Then you actually enter into the bedroom space. You have desk, you have your dressing table, the bed is over here. All the bedrooms have Daikin air conditioners. इधर पीछे के साइड पे तो ग्राउंड फ्लोर है तो आपको बिल्डिंग का कंपाउंड भी दिखेगा, तो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली यू गोना कीप दिस क्लोज्ड, बट इफ यू विश टू कीप इट ओपन आल्सो इज फाइन. A very nice setup over here for your living room. This is more of an art deco style, an older pattern. Sitting over here with your couch set, 3 people can go sit there and 2 people over here with a nice wooden center table, coffee table. The dining is separate with a separate section over here. You have a 6-seater dining with the armoire, जो drawing room में जो आपकी cutlery रखने के लिए जगह है, that is separate over there. Air conditioner once again Daikin. Refrigerator इधर इन्होंने रखा है. It's a this also you will get, and the washing machine उन्होंने इधर रखा है. But the space for the washing machine is actually outside in the open patio in the front yard space with the water connection. I'll show that to you when I'm outside. Open kitchen format with granite countertops. You have the wooden cabinets over here. You also have a Sunflame exhaust with your gas cooking. I don't see a pipeline. I saw a cylinder over here. Your access to the outside space is from the लिविंग रूम. इधर से आप सीधा बाहर जा सकते हैं. ये इंटरनल स्पेस 880 कारपेट एरिया का है, 880 स्क्वायर फीट ऑफ कारपेट एरिया. आउटसाइड स्पेस आई एम एस्टिमेटिंग अराउंड 200 स्क्वायर फीट कंजर्वेटिवली. नाउ वी विल चेक आउट बेडरूम नंबर 2. दिस इज द बिगर बेडरूम. इट्स अ मास्टर बेडरूम. एक्चुअली बोथ अ मास्टर बेडरूम. वॉशरूम आपका ये साइड पे अंदर है, and the bed is set up over here. Your air conditioner is right over here. This is a Daikin air conditioner. You'll have to come in with your TV and few electronics. I think this is the only electronics that you need because everything else is already present. Very nice kind of a traditional format of furniture. Lights, everything is very good. You have mood lighting, you have regular lighting. So it's a good place. The wardrobes, आप बोलोगे भाई इसका wardrobes किधर है? ये bedroom में wardrobes are here. So it's somewhat sort of a walk-in wardrobe and a vanity section over here. This is one wardrobe, this is another wardrobe, and this is pretty deep inside. और इधर आप बैठ के तैयार हो सकते हैं. I will go into the space which is the outside space. Now this is the highlight of the property, the outside space, the front yard. It is a pretty decent size. इधर आपको एक थल्ला सा है which is covered up. इधर ऊपर भी थोड़े स्टोरेजेस हैं और लाइटिंग लगे पड़े हैं. and they have a little awning, little chapra over here which can be used. I've put these two chairs out over here. This is a very Rajasthani Indian ethnic style setup over here, just to give you guys an idea. But this is a great space for someone who has pets, someone who likes outdoors a lot, someone who likes to sit and sip their tea, coffee, their drinks in the evening outside. The space is good. Any gardening lover can put their pots and plants over here. You do get privacy. इसके पीछे के side पे road है, but you get a nice privacy over here because of this green sheet, and there is a lot of security with the grills. The space for your washing machine that I was talking about is in this little cabinet. Connection for your electric, connection for your water, inlet as well as outlet. Outlet तो आप इधर ही छोड़ दोगे तो चलेगा, not a big deal. But there should be a space for an outlet in. Yeah, there is a space for an outlet. This is your outlet. और ये आपका living room का access है. इधर washing machine था. And here you can walk in and have your access to your living room, and this is the bedroom number 2 जहाँ से हम लोग आए थे. So this entire space is for you to use however you wish to. Now comes the most important part. The asking price of this property is rupees 4.25 crores. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys very soon. Take care. Goodbye.